Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to start a new topic of chapter 6 and it is arguments in favor of social responsibility of business. So let's start the topic. All business people do not feel equally responsible towards society. It is always matter of debate that firm is socially responsible towards its owners only, or it is also responsible towards other sections of the society who are affected by its decisions and actions. It would be useful to understand why every business enterprise should be socially responsible. We will understand it with the help of different points here. Why every business enterprise must assume social responsibility, because first is it is required for the justification of existence and growth of business. It is in interest of the long-term interest of the firm. It avoids the government regulation. It is required for the maintenance of society. It makes available of resources with business. It is converting problems into opportunities. It creates better environment for doing business. And it is realizing business enterprises that they are responsible for social problems. So let's see first, justification for existence and growth of business. Social responsibility is required. The prosperity and growth of business is possible only through continuous service to society. Actually, profit of business activity is outcome of service to society only. We know business exists for providing goods and services to satisfy human needs. So we can say existence and growth of any business is possible only when they are performing social responsibilities well. To survive and grow in society for long run, business must fulfill requirements or needs of people. In business, we can say society is giving what business want, so it is responsibility of business to give what society wants too. Next is social responsibility is required for the long-term interest of the firm. Fulfilling social responsibility is in interest of the business itself, and even the public image of any business firm would also be improved when it supports social goals. Remember, a firm can earn maximum profit in long run only when its highest goal is to serve society. We know different interested groups are associated with business like workers, consumers, shareholders, government officials, etc. If they feel that business enterprise is not serving properly, they will withdraw their cooperation. So, if a firm fulfill its social responsibility, it is better for them only for long run. Next is avoidance of government regulations. Government regulations are undesirable because they limit the freedom of business activities. Businessmen can avoid this problem of government regulations by voluntarily assuming social responsibility, and it also helps to reduce need for new laws. So we can say social responsibilities are essential for avoiding government actions against business. Next is maintenance of society. We know social responsibility is voluntary action because laws cannot be passed for all possible circumstances. So if people feel that some business is not performing according to their expectation, they can go for other antisocial activities. Like many times we have seen people are coming on road against any business enterprise. This may harm the interest of the business itself. Therefore, it is desirable that business enterprise should assume social responsibilities properly. Next is availability of resources with business. Every business enterprise have valuable financial and human resources which can be used for solving problems. Because business have managerial talent and capital resources and also years of experience in organizing business activities, so they can solve all problems easily and become successful. Therefore, society has a good opportunity to discover how their resources can be helpful to business and also for which business. Next is converting problems into opportunities. As we already discussed in previous point that with the help of years of experience, business enterprises are able to convert risky situations into profitable deals. By doing this, they are not only solving social problems but also accepting challenges effectively. Next is better environment for doing business. A society with fewer problems provides better environment for a firm to conduct its business. If business is operating in a society where lots of diverse and complicated problems are there, it may have little chance of success. On other hand, the better society creates an environment that is more suitable for business operations. The business which is most sensible to the quality of life of the people will get a good society as a result to run its business. And the last one is holding business responsible for the social problems, and that's why they have to fulfill the social responsibilities. Many social problems of the society is created by business enterprise themselves, like pollution, corruption in public institutions, unsafe workplace, discriminatory practices in employment, etc. Therefore, it is the moral obligation of business to get involved in solving these problems instead of merely expecting that other social agencies will deal with them. Like this way, with the help of all these 8 points, we are trying to prove that every business enterprise must assume social responsibility. So here our topic is over. I hope you understand everything properly.